define boundary. One is the distinctness, another is topography. Topography, whether your boundary separation of horizon is falling in one plane or not, one line or not, that we see. And if it is in the one plane, then we say it's a smooth boundary. If it is in wavy, you understand the wavy pattern W. So if it is not falling in one plane, somewhere it is going down, somewhere it is coming up. So it is a wavy pattern. Like that, there are irregular and broken. In alluvial patches, where there is a recent deposits, we will get these two types of irregular as well as broken type of boundary. As regards to distinctness, there is a abrupt. When there is an abrupt change, we write abrupt. Then, if the separation of boundary falling within the 2 to 5 centimeters, we say it is a clear boundary.
Okay, now you
And if the boundary is changing gradually, we cannot able to distinguish so easily. We say it is a gradual or diffuse.
diffused, yeah.
So these are the classes, and then he will explain about the boundaries now.
Boundaries. So that was all that was theoretical, and now he will be explaining what type of boundary is there between the horizons.
Horizon boundary first on the within 1 to 2 centimeter creates the two layers on the basis of color. That is why this is AS abrupt changes.
So you can notice the abrupt change in the color. The flow layer, which is around 20 centimeter, that is bit darker, whereas the next subsurface is reddish. So based on our observation only, we can differentiate, and that variation is uniform, and it is not any wavy structure is not there. So it is uniform, and we can call this as abrupt smooth. This is abrupt. Why? Because drastic changes there with respect to color. Whereas the surface one is darker, whereas the second depth is reddish change, and abrupt changes there. All of a sudden changes there within 20 centimeters. So we call it as abrupt smooth.
Changes in respect of lower or upper.
Pardon?
In between, sir.
In between.
Sir,
Within 2
everybody have
centimeters.
this one in hand.
The abrupt change is here. That is why
ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Very good. Super.
after that clear smooth. Second one
Second one is clear smooth. It is clear smooth. It is based on the
3 to 4
models.
centimeter with the changes.
Based on the models, is saying that this is clear smooth. Whereas
Clear
the first one was abrupt smooth. Here it is clear smooth. So not more differences there between those horizons.
The changes within 3 to 4 centimeter. That is why clear smooth.
Ah.
And after that third one is the gradual smooth.
The thing is,
Some little changes.
thing is compared to the first boundary, we can't differentiate clearly here. That's why we call it as gradual. Gradual changes are happening here, and that change will be more than 4 centimeters. So that boundary more than 4 or 5 centimeters. So that changes is going to happen. So we can't write it as abrupt here. Here that depth of the change. Depth of the change.
Next
I'll get it, sir. I'll get it. It is vehicle,
fourth
I'll
number
give it.
is gradual
supplied, I think,
and
not
diffuse.
received. Anyway,
Fourth one is gradual and diffused because more they are adjoining layers. They are having more similarity. That's why diffused. They are gradual, diffused is the boundary.
Within 5 to 10 centimeter about distinguish this boundary. Somewhere it is getting irregular line.
फोर्थ वाला ग्रेजुअल होगा या डिफ्यूज होगा सर?
Third one is gradual.
Third one is gradual.
Gradual.
Thing is,
Gradual.
this thing is while writing the boundaries, you should write in between the depths. In between the depths. So thing is, first one is 0 to 20. 0 to 20. Second depth is 20 to 30, 38. Between those things, you have to write it because these boundaries will be one number less. If the sample is 6, the boundaries will be 5. Got it?
We will move to the color.
Okay, color.
Fast wait. There is another
color.
and color all over. So that is important.
5 to 10 centimeter.
Helps us determining the drainage condition of the soils also.
Clear, smooth again.
Based on the color and the
Mortal is there.
motels, we can able to assess the drainage condition of the soil. Not only drainage condition in hilly areas, in mountains. This color indicates the presence of organic matter also.
And reddish color, as you know, that is because of oxidation of iron. If it is oxidized, it will be iron oxide. Iron oxide will be reddish in color. Whereas when it is reduced, it will be converting from ferric to ferrous. Ferrous will be brownish. So even the red soils, if you put them continuous irrigation, they will be losing that tinge of red and they become brownish. So that is because of reduction of iron to ferric to ferrous. So in that way, the subsurface will be having moisture for more number of days. So automatically reduced or anoxic regime is going to prevail there. So the chances of conversion of ferric to ferrous will be there. So that's why brownish color will be there in the subsurface horizon.
So he will spell out the color notations also.
Already
While
तो
color
color दिखता नहीं ना?
Munsell color chart.
हाँ,
Now Munsell color chart.
Munsell.
Everybody can see.
Oh, this is the Munsell color chart.
Soil color chart.
This is the Munsell color chart, and this is the reference for international reference for color identification. Because if you say 10 or 3/2 in India, it is same in US also. Because throughout internationally it is being followed, and this is the notation. Color notations are there, and based on that we will be giving. So the thing is, two things will be there. One is qualitative, and the other one is quantitative. So qualitative will be telling whether it is sour or sweet, but to what extent it is sweet means we will be measuring with bricks. The same integers are included here in order to designate the color. So it is more of a quantitative measurement.
Now we are recording first horizon color. Hue is 5IR.
It's a moist color. After
Moist
writing the
color.
color, we write as M. If it is a dry color, we write as a D. And
When
if it is a rubbed color, we cannot write.
profile condition is
So
that time.
normally
Always we try to
we
write dry color and moist color.
we open the profile in the summer season. Normally we open the profile in the summer season, that too after the harvest, where the surface moisture will be depleted and it will be totally dry. And we will be seeing the color as dry as it is, and we will be putting little water and making it moist, and we will be checking for the color. So as far as surface soils, if not only surface, you are beneath that first two layers may be dry in the summer season. That time we have to check for dry color as well as moist color. So moist, you can't expect them to be moist. You have to make it moist by putting little water, and then you should see the color. Whereas subsurface, beyond the two depths, it will be moist.
Sir, one or two drops only. Not more water should be
Yeah,
poured on.
because, because
It needs
first
to be moist.
25 years before also he has told me the same thing. Now also he tells. Why? Because that pad will be, if it is moist, it will be staining the book. It will be staining the book. So he's very cautious.
तो ये क्या होगा सर?
Dry and moist. Dry and moist.
4/4.
Yeah, exactly.
क्या होगा सर? एक बार बताइए.
5IR 4/4.
Second color क्या है sir?
First color.
First color.
4/4.